Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online language courses. One aspect of my children's education here in the UK that I'm really pleased with is the fact that they discuss the impact of social media and the online realm on the mental health of young people. Recently my daughter came home and was talking about a lesson she had had where they discussed the impact that Instagram can have on teenage girls. Obviously quite a negative impact in lots of cases. And we were also discussing online bullying and online abuse. And I mentioned to her that as someone who's been on the receiving end of quite a lot of online abuse over the years, for various different reasons, I can testify to the negative impact it has on your mental health. If you're on the receiving end of something, usually something unpleasant, you suffer because of it, you experience it and you suffer as a result. So, for example, shop assistants are often on the receiving end of verbal abuse from customers. A football team might be on the receiving end of a 6-0 battering, a 6-0 hammering where they lose by 6-0. You can be on the receiving end of violence, on the receiving end of someone's anger, or if you live in a country, probably in the global south, which is most directly affected by the current climate crisis, you can be on the receiving end of the climate emergency. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please do share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use on the receiving end of.